You were told, be yourself, follow what you love, you have the freedom to choose your own path. Sounds beautiful, sounds empowering, but have you ever wondered, if you never had a compass to begin with, where does that freedom lead? You grew up with freedom. No one forced you to study when you didn't feel like it. No one stopped you from staying up till 2 a.m. on your phone. No one made you respect time, structure, or rules. You got to choose everything. From your breakfast, to whether or not you felt like learning today. Sounds happy, but guess who pays for it? You're 25, 30, 35. You wake up late, tired, with no clear goal. You try things, quit things, work without focus, fear commitment. You change jobs, friends, cities, but still feel off, because no one ever taught you that. Freedom without structure is drifting. Freedom without discipline is quiet self-destruction. You're not broken. You've just never been properly shaped. You were given everything except a spine. You were praised for being authentic with your feelings, but no one taught you how to manage them. You were given choice, but not the weight of consequence. And then one night, you're alone, scrolling, feeling hollow, and you ask, why do I feel this lost? No one's coming to save you. Not your parents, not society, no one, unless you choose to begin again.
You don't need more compliments. You need a slap that wakes you up. To understand, freedom without limits is a knife, and discipline is the only sheath that keeps you alive.
If this video hit the exact part of you you've been hiding, don't just listen and move on. Leave an honest comment, not for me, but for yourself, to prove you still feel, you still want to rise. If you want real change, like the video, not for views, but so the algorithm sends you the next slap when you need it most. Subscribe, because I've written an entire playlist that goes deep into every wound you've been ignoring. No one will save you, but at least, here, you won't have to fight alone.